Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RVs. I got a brand new 2019 Coachmen Catalina toy hauler. It's called a 26TH is the model. Let's go inside and take a peek. Straight inside here. So you got your Nor-Cold refrigerator freezer right there. Little fuse panel below us. Nice big counter space. You got a glass top, makes you a better counter space. 3 burner oven, stainless steel hood, microwave. Storage above us here. You got a double sink there. More storage down here, drawers there. A lot of storage above us here, place for your helmets in here. Here's your portable table to move around. This one actually has the ramp door, that's actually a patio deck with a screen that pulls down. Kind of cool. So the little couches, they fold down to little beds. Folds down to the bed here in the back. And then you got your chairs, you got your rockers right there that move around. Here's your check your water and your lights and all that good stuff. Your fuel tank and stuff. So LEDs above us, air conditioning. In the front here, you've got your TV on a swivel bracket, your stereo system here, more storage there, storage above us. It's kind of the, more of a basic toy hauler. It's a 26-footer though, so then you got your little front bath right here. We got a big corner shower with glass, and then the front walk-around bed. Got storage underneath the bed. Under here, storage. We got lots of storage there. You got closets on each side. You got ventilation on both sides of the windows. More storage above us here. You got a little table over there, so if you got a CPAP machine or something right there. LEDs above us, sliding door. You got a spot for your TV up here. It's all wired. Little place right there. And here in the bathroom, you got a nice big cabinetry right there. Lots of room, lots of height. Pretty good. You're pretty good open space here for hauling toys. You got tie downs on the floor, clear up to the front up here, and then we can add additional actually. So let's go outside. You got an electric awning. Usually have LED strip underneath. Here's a little spot here for like if you want to put an outdoor, here's a little bracket to put an outdoor TV. Cables right there, plug-ins right there. It's outdoor speakers. Walk around back, you got the locking latches with pre-wired for backup camera. Like I said, this is more than just a ramp. It was actually a patio deck. That's what that railing was around there. So these are little vents for, fumes and stuff inside, little ventilation. Here's your water controls, outdoor shower, plug-ins, sewer, cable right here, water heater. So this particular model is kind of, like I said, more basic. So it's got the big tanks, batteries go in the front here, you got a power tongue jack. So if you're looking kind of a more basic model toy hauler, kind of inexpensive, these are kind of nice. Coachmen makes a nice product. So if you need anything, fifth wheels, toy haulers, campers, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.